Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I make this crispy air fryer baby potatoes and sliced carrots. This can be a healthy and perfect side dish to any of your proteins like your fish or your chicken. Now, let's get started. But before we jump into the recipe, if you're new to my channel, hi, you're so welcome. And please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button and also like this video so you can support this channel to grow. As well, turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy recipes every week so you don't miss anything. Thank you, and let's jump right into the recipe. So to start, we are going to scrub our potatoes. Now I'm going to be air frying it with the skin on, so I will be scrubbing it with this potato brush that I picked up from the dollar store. It does such an effective job. If you're going to be peeling off your potatoes, then maybe you don't want to scrub it down. I will peel off the skin of my carrots, and next I'm going to just have the potatoes, and I do have a bowl of water in there. I will soak my potatoes for 30 minutes. It is so important that you soak your potatoes before air frying them because then it releases more starch and it's going to help the potatoes crisp as well. So once our potatoes have been soaking, I let them sit in there for about 45 minutes. So it's also very important that you dry your potatoes or any wet foods before you put them in the air fryer. Now you can use a clean cloth like what I'm doing, or you can use paper towel to just make sure that you dry out every liquid from the potatoes. And then next I'm going to transfer into this bowl and just mix it up with the carrots. And as well, for a list of ingredients, I just have some Italian seasoning, roasted garlic, dried parsley, some garlic and onion powder, Mrs. Dash seasoning, salt, black pepper, and avocado oil. That's what I'm going to be using. You could use any oil of your choosing. Thank you so much for for watching this video with me today. And if you liked it, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, so you can join the family, and you are so welcome. And do not forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any healthy recipes from me in the future. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.